Welcome to this Google Earth animation tutorial. In this tutorial we will drive a truck along this road to a center, then we will take a car, drive around the center, and then we will fly away with a plane. Okay, in order to achieve this we will have to define a path to the center. Now let's quickly zoom out, and this is our road to the center. Good. So we need to define a path to center, and we are going to use a truck, and the duration of the animation is going to be 5 seconds. So of course we have to define the path as well. So here we see the cursor, and we can just click on the road and find a couple of points, and we are almost at the center. Here we go. Good. It is always a good idea to actually save that in a folder, so we are going to add a folder. I will call this folder my animation, and in this folder I will place my first path. Let's see whether this actually works. So in order to convert it to an animation, or to create an animation, I will need an external application, and I've called a GE animation for now. And we need to load our KML file, which we must export first from Google Earth, so save place as, and it immediately takes the folder name. Save. Now if we open the file explorer, we see we have got my animation KML in there. Furthermore, we do see that we have got a truck model in there as well. So now let's convert and run. So you see a new folder was created, and we see there's a truck model. However, we see it's not quite orientated correctly. So we go back here and change the model orientation to -90 degrees. So we have to spin it around there, and now save place as, yes, and we rerun this and see it actually has not a right orientation. Now let's see whether it actually animates the truck as well, whether it drives along this path. Note I don't really have to show the path, so I could just go and take it out again and run the animation. So here we've got an icon which is called run animation. Okay, it does run. Perfect. Now that we are there, we can now continue with our journey. So we have got the path now. Let's add another path. So we want to drive with the car around the center before we fly a little bit away. Okay. Path around center, and we said we are going to drive there with a car, and the duration of this shall be 6 seconds. The model orientation, we don't know that yet. So this is our second path, and then our third path is away. So we are going to use a model plane, and the duration, let's say 4 seconds, and we need the path as well, which goes away. Okay, let's change the color again. Blue like the sky. Excellent. And that should be it already. So we save that. We convert it. And we do see that the plane is facing the opposite direction. We see the car here in the background, which is also facing the opposite direction. So we need to spin them around by 180 degrees. So I'm just going to copy that and put that into this one with 180 degrees, and again for the plane. Alright, then we save that. Okay, save places as, and yep, and convert and rerun. We see the orientation is now okay. The car's orientation is also fine. And now we need a good position to observe the animation. Let's go here. Let's zoom in. Well, we hardly see the car, but anyway, see whether it works. And let's go. Truck comes, goes around, car starts driving around, so we should really zoom in there a bit more, and now the plane flies away. Alright, hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'm going to continue with this one in the next one, and we'll add some clocks in there as well, and some places.